Hello viewers, hope you are all fine and doing good in your life. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I will discuss with you on the topic how to make money from big commerce. I already searched for several websites, but I will share with you the best one which I think is the best for my viewers and for their knowledge. Here is the website. Making sure an e-commerce store will make money. Here we just scroll. There are many different motivations for starting an e-commerce business and many different desired results. Some entrepreneurs want to have an e-commerce store supplements their existing as a hobby, while others want to reach a point where their online storefront is their primary job. No matter what they sell, all e-commerce entrepreneurs share a common goal: find ways to make money online. Making money in e-commerce involves more than just creating an online store and beginning to take orders. Many factors have to be considered to give your store the best chance at success. There is no guarantee that a store will be successful, but following these best practices will help maximize your profits and eliminate some of the most common unnecessary costs for e-commerce merchants. Know your profit margin. A good profit margin is one of the most critical elements for profitability. Without understanding how much money your business is making per product and per sale, it's extremely difficult to know where money coming back into the business needs to be spent, how much money you should pay yourself, and other important considerations. Calculating a profit margin is a straightforward task. And the same formula determines how much money is being made from each and every item your store sells, no matter how varied the products. To calculate your profit margin, first take the total amount of money made per item or revenue and subtract the cost of the item. This yields the net profit per product sold. Then divide the net profit by the revenue to get your margin. For example, an item that costs a retailer $5 to purchase and is sold for $8 has a net profit of $3. The profit margin of that item would be 37.5%. Keeping track of the net profit and profit margin for your business makes it easier to adjust your costs while maintaining or improving profitability. With this information on hand, you can make better decisions. For example, you could compare the prices from different suppliers or determine if you could make more money by using different materials for handmade goods. Understanding your store's profit margins also lets you run more profitable sales and promotions. You can even monitor the prices of your competitors and appropriately reprice products as needed. Maintain the right inventory level. Maintaining the right level of inventory optimizes your cash flow by preventing you from typing up too much capital in products that they take months to sell. You can then use that money elsewhere, whether investing in other areas of your operation or setting it aside until a need arises. Unlike profit margin, there is not a single equation to calculate the right level of inventory for your store. But there are some steps you can take to reach an inventory level that works best for your business. First off, you should be tracking how often products sell and the relative frequency with which each item is ordered as compared to others. It's possible to manually track these statistics, but that can be a time consuming task depending on your market and sales volume. Luckily, a wide variety of apps are available to help track sales and inventory levels. Once you know the frequency of each of your products, you can then calculate how long a quantity of items will last. Although this data will be an average, it's still valuable. The specifics of optimal inventory depend on the cost of delivery from suppliers as well as how frequently items are sold and how often you want to receive deliveries. By factoring all of those variables together, you can adjust inventory levels in order to receive fewer shipments from vendors and reduce the associated costs, plus free up more capital. Start growing your e-commerce business even more faster. I hope this information will help you and guide you that how to make money from with commerce. Don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. Please share and like the video. Goodbye. See you in next video.